Hi teacher, can you describe the what, why, and how of your teaching practice?
Yes, absolutely. I'm an English teacher in Thailand. One of the reasons for it is because I like to give exposure of English to the students, um, give them a familiar face to look at every week, and I really like to incorporate games and conversation into the teaching. I think that when the teaching method is dynamic and it involves both the teacher and the students, that we achieve better results. Something else that I like to do is to make sure that my level of English is adapted to every one of the students, because in groups of kids not all of the students have the same level. It's important to me to adapt it and make sure that every student is involved in the process. And as for what I teach, vocabulary is important, so is conversation. Verbs and grammar are important to make sure that there's a proper vocabulary. But I just want the students to be able to express themselves and to have real life conversation, as opposed to native grammar that's gonna come with time. So it's not what I focus on personally. And that's it. Thank you.
Hello teacher Danny, can you describe the what, why, and how of your teaching practice?
Yes, my teaching practice aims to help students succeed both in their daily requirements of school and in their society as in general. It helps to enrich students' personal lives, so just increasing their knowledge of the world around them. I think that teaching is important. It's the only thing that sets humans apart from animals when we teach each other. There's different methods that teaching occurs. Actually, it doesn't always have to be the teacher teaching the students. Sometimes it can occur from students teaching other students. Peer teaching, social interaction is very important in terms of teaching. So my job as a teacher is just to try to increase the learning opportunities for students, so that they can reflect upon the things that they experience in my class. It helps them to see, maybe observe behavior from, sometimes if I'm teaching an English language lesson, I'll model certain language terms, certain sentences or grammatical structures, and this gives the students the opportunity to copy my behavior and what I'm saying. Also, part of my teaching is just to give the students a fun time, so that they're engaged and motivated with the subject material. This lets them spark an interest in English, and hopefully they'll take that interest along with them, and eventually become interested in teaching English learning English by themselves. That's sort of the job and aim of me as an English teacher, I would say.